We'll just fix the audio in post, you know, like every other video. Oh god.
We good. Audio works.
Oh god.
Maybe I should turn audio off because I'm hearing two of you right now.
Two of me?
Yeah, no, two of me. Yes, two of me. No, two of you. Fuck. Two of you. Oh, wait, we are or aren't.
We are. I'm gonna turn this down a little.
Oh boy, here we go.
Turn it
Just
down to
turn
like a
my
nice 7. Turn it down to
I'll
like
turn
a
it down
nice
to a
7.
nice. I'll turn it down to a nice 0, so that it's only one audio thing.
Yeah, but here's the thing. When I'm not by you, then I won't be able to hear your audio.
It'll be fine.
It's fine. You can keep your audio off. I don't think we're gonna be fucking far away.
Besides that, there's gonna be what, 2 other times, and that's it.
It's not gonna matter.
It's it. Oh wait, no, it isn't. We know.
Coming in hot. Wait.
Just switch out a character. And
I can't shock you.
Beach.
I remember this scene.
But I was in the escape pod. What the fuck?
His neck snaps like a puppy.
What the fuck?
Here's the real question. Would you rather hear yourself or hear me twice?
You know, I'd say you twice, because at least with hearing you twice, it isn't my voice that is for some reason deeper than it should be.
Your voice in a glass jar?
Yeah, essentially.
As you put it last time?
Yeah. I don't remember putting it like that last time, I'm gonna be honest with you.
When we played the other one.
Ah, yes, the other one.
I wonder, what the fuck is that noise?
What?
That just disappeared. Okay, you fixed it. Congratulations.
What?
Huh?
Mom?
What? What are you doing on my screen?
We don't need it. It's bonus. We don't need it.
Oh, did you see that?
No.
Dude, Post Malone.
Never heard of him.
How the hell is that Joel alive? I thought you just killed him.
No.
Like that. What? Owen, use the mouse on that orb. Oh god, not again! Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do the freaking, Hoth level. Because,
bend the noise.
yeah, don't worry about it, we'll fix it.
Keen on the horses here.
Anyway, freaking Hoth, what you have to do, for some reason they're like, yeah, I'm gonna make it so that you have to use the stylus touchscreen to freaking toe cable the AT-ATs.
Oh, fun.
So that's gonna be fun with 2 of us using 1 mouse.
Awesome. I only got 2 of those working. Oh god, not again.
Don't worry about it. We just gotta get flying through.
Oh, lag.
The noise stopped.
Good enough. I'm just gonna use the controller. It is not worth it doing that.
The noise. Get out of the horses here.
Get out of the horses here.
You know, and the sound. Dude, use the voice on them. Never mind, don't use the voice on them. Oh, was I supposed to?
Yes.
Dude, it didn't make the noise. Oh god! Dude, swappage? No, swappage? Dude, swappage?
Oh my god. I'm about to no, I'm not gonna say that.
I'm gonna say, look at the schnauzer on that guy.
Tarantino?
Oh god, get down, the noise is being loud.
I don't... Are you smoking?
I feel like you should turn on your audio. And hear double of the frickin' force which rumble noise.
You
Oops.
Wow. So it's gonna be like that, huh?
Yeah. Dude, a fucking red brick? Oh, what are you doing?
Going up. Aw, damn it.
Let me in! Let me in!
Does not sound like a woman.
That's not how the movie goes.
I don't remember that in the slightest.
Oh fuck! Oh, Candy get hammered?
Dude, it's the hammer. He's dead. He's dead.
It wasn't the Harry. The Harry killed him, dude.
Holy shot.
You said take my picture with them. Can we use the shop? We can. Holy shit!
Holy shit. You were right on fast build.
I was not right on fast build, but okay.
Whatever you say.
How do I activate it?
Probably in the actual, like the menu for it.
The stick's still in there. It's still in there.
It's probably already enabled. Let's go test that theory.
Oh god, get down! Oh fuck.
Oh, there goes vehicular manslaughter. Never
Look at the
seen him.
schnauzer on that guy, dude.
That man. He pure money, that man. Oh, I got down!
Oh, look at that.
Huh. I thought I was building the mini kit, but I'll take it.
Wow, they're just throwing mini kits all over.
Yeah, they really are.
Dude, I love free candy.
It isn't letting me skip.
Especially when it's from a guy.
Dude, especially if it's from and he's down.
Dude, drunk man down.
It's bro, where's
Pants!
it's Among Us?
He's still back there! He's still back there!
Among Us?
No, he actually didn't kill him this time, he just cut it. Nope, he killed him, oh god!
He's dead! Oh, they didn't kill him! Oh.
Look at that guy.
The schnauzer on that one.
Oh.
He wasn't there on my screen.
Wait, what?
He wasn't there on my screen. I don't know if it's just lag
He
or
was
some
not
shit.
there on your screen, he was not.
He wasn't there.
The fuck's on here? Yeah. Dude, speed up tactic. Get him. That was perfect clean. That's like a sub 570.
No. I don't
Pew,
remember
pew,
those
pew.
noises.
Huh?
I don't. No, never mind. Why is it purple?
Don't worry about it. Oh, we're in space. That's a giant window. I don't remember seeing that one on the Death Star. She died. So let me get this straight. He had the helmet, and then he dropped the helmet.
Yeah.
And now we gotta go and put on a helmet.
Yeah. White?
Yeah, he is white, yeah. What the fuck? I was playing those RPG for a second.
I honestly expected you to just blow up.
Dude, it went straight to my thighs.
Oh no. And
Get him, get him, get him. Team griefing, team
Get him,
griefing.
get him, get him, get him.
They're just kind of standing there, not even shooting at him. So like, why do we have to kill him?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you should protect his own damn self.
Yeah, oh, you bitch.
He has the force.
You shot my hat off.
Oh, whoops, Butterfingers. Vegan!
What the fuck? I don't have it on your screen!
What?
Oh, my hat's gone. But it's still here.
That doesn't make too much sense now, does it?
Wait, we can use the elevators? More bonus?
Just keep.
Bye. I like it!
Get him off the screen. It's bonus. Asshole. Asshole. Whoa!
What?
I don't. No.
Wait, what? Wait, I was. My helmet!
I don't know what I just saw.
Oh, I guess no cutscene? Okay.
That's called. Oh. Huh.
Oh, no cutscene? Oh, okay.
Shut up, bitch.
It looks like you're gonna need a helmet.
It's just a button. It's just a. Oh, come on!
It's just a button, it's just a button.
I don't want to talk
I like how very not fucking, fluent your movements are on my screen.
Because my screen is just either lagging or not.
Dude! What are they doing in there?
You come here often?
Dude, speedrun. Going up?
We good!
They weren't doing that. It's a pretty interesting setup the engines decided to make now, you know?
I'm not questioning it.
I am!
No. You know, I don't get it why the X.
Oh dear God!
Oh God Almighty, have mercy.
Do I get a survival mini kit for that?
No. You see, survival Lego canister. What the fuck does that mean?
Shit, well we just died, so we're not getting it. So how long is this stretch run?
Ben, if you think I know why I'm not getting hit, then I don't know. Great shot, kid. That was 1 in a million, right?
He didn't do the wahoo. Is he gonna do the wahoo? He didn't do the wahoo.
He didn't do the wahoo.
Dude, it's the hammer.
Whoa, whoa.
Dude, great shot, kid. Why is it playing Tuscan radio music? Why? They're still flying. They're still flying. Oh my god, got him. I'm gonna be honest though, I thought that was like guys screaming at first. I thought I was gonna get to the stormtrooper flying through space. He's gonna go, ah! You know?
Yeah.
Cause I remember that in the movie where he explodes. Dude, Chewbacca gets his medal. They're gonna. What the fuck?
You know,
Story time something. I don't see what it said.
we ain't seen it. Get it in post. Get it in post.
We'll get it in post. Yeah. Slap a fucking photo of it in
Like
post.
right now.